Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're going to be sharing with you a simple eggplant pizza recipe. We hope you're going to enjoy it as much as we do. So the first step is you're going to cut a small onion, just dice it up like so. And then you're going to get a nice saucepan, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, let it warm, and you're going to put your onions in there, fry it for a couple of minutes until you're comfortable with the extent of frying. After that, add in 600 mils of a tomato puree. It could be something you bought from a supermarket or just grated tomatoes. So fry that really well. Add your salt to taste, and then you're going to add in some basil. You can either use fresh basil or dry basil like I did. Fry that for about a minute. Mix it up really well. Then you're going to add a cup of water and leave that to just boil down, and just to let it simmer to a texture that does not run when you put it on a plate. Just make sure it's kind of like standing, really nicely thick. So this is the texture we're looking for. We're going to set this aside and move on to the next step, which is our eggplants. So get 2 nice medium eggplants, remove the ends like so, and then you're just going to cut them into nice slices. Not too big, not too small, because you want them to cook well. So just cut each and every piece in this way. Try to stick to this side. After that, we're going to cut through the eggplants, making sure you cut through each and every side this way and not going through to the other side. So turn each and every side every time you cut through like this. This helps it cook better, cook faster, and cook easier. So do this with every piece. This is like the boring part, but you kind of just have to enjoy the process because the end product is super amazing. So do this with every piece, not missing one at all. After that is done, set them aside. You're going to prepare your mozzarella. This is like 250 grams of mozzarella. Cut it up into nice small cubes because you will need it in this form. So after that is done, get an oven tray. Line it up with some paper or not. You can use it directly without the oven paper. And then you're going to start dressing your eggplants. So put on some sauce on each and every one, enough to cover it up like so. And then you're going to put your mozzarella on top of each and every one. So put enough mozzarella for each piece because they're different in sizes. So one might require 1, another might require 2. So after that is done, you're then going to drizzle them with some oil. Just make sure you give them a good drizzle, not leaving one out. And then the magical last ingredient is the cheese, grated cheese. Whatever type of grated cheese you prefer, whatever type of grated cheese you like, just make sure you add some cheese on top at the end because I think it just makes it all come together really well. So put some cheese on top of each and every piece. This is going to be baked for about 15 to 18 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Make sure you keep shaking from time to time as you are baking them because you do not want the top to burn. When the mozzarella is melted and all, afterwards it will start burning because of the layer of cheese on top. So make sure it does not get to burning. So after covering all of them like this, make sure you did not miss any spots, you did not miss any part. If you have to go back and put some more. After that is done, put it in your oven, 15 to 18 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius, and voila, this is what you have. Buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye.